Okay, hi. We're going to be working with the natural logarithm, right? The properties of the natural logarithm are exactly the same as the property of the common logarithm, the thing that produces natural logarithm, right? So I want to change this to a single natural logarithm. So that means that, because my first step is that I'm going to change the 5 and I'm going to move that to as an exponent, right? So this is ln of 7 plus ln of 25. Now, because I'm adding right here, that means that I'm multiplying those two numbers to write it as a single logarithm. So this is natural logarithm of 7 times 25. So at the end, this is the natural logarithm of 175. That's it, right? So number 2, again, my first step is that I'm going to move that exponent. That's natural logarithm of x cubed minus the natural logarithm of 2x squared. So this is the same as x cubed divided by 4x squared. And there you have it, right? Last one. On that part, I'm going to move again my exponents. So this is natural logarithm of y cubed plus natural logarithm of y squared plus natural logarithm of 5. So this is the same as the natural logarithm of y cubed times y squared times 5. So at the end, this is the natural logarithm of 5y to the 5th. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the properties of the natural logarithm to solve an equation, right? So I have natural logarithm of x equals 2. I can change this to an exponential form where my base is e. On the natural logarithm, the base is gonna be e. E squared equals x. And now we're just gonna go to the calculator, and this is 7.3891. That's it. Right. And number 9, again, I'm going to change this to an exponential form. So 3x plus 5 squared equals e to the 4th. Right. So now I'm going to solve by taking out the square root on both sides. So 3x plus 5 equal plus or minus e squared minus 5. So 3x equals negative 5 plus or minus e squared. And now I'm just going to divide by 3. So x equals negative 5 plus or minus e squared divided by 3. We're going to keep that just like that. Again, now on this one, I'm going to first use my properties to combine this natural logarithm of 2x times 3 equals 2. Right, so natural logarithm, let me rewrite that correctly, right? Because right now that seems like okay, so 2x times 3. So this is 6x equals 2. So 6x equals e squared. And now I'm going to just divide by 6. And that one we can easily find out on the calculator. So this is 1.2315. Okay. On number 11, I have an in exponential form, so I'm going to use the logarithm to solve it. So I'm going to apply the natural logarithm on both sides of the equation. So that means that I have the natural logarithm of ax minus 2 equals the natural logarithm of 12. Right, using the properties, I have x minus 2 times the natural logarithm of e equal natural logarithm of 12. This is the same as 1. So I have x minus 2 equals natural logarithm of 12. So I'm going to add 2 on both sides. So x equals 2 plus or minus natural logarithm of 12. So x, now I'm going to go to my calculator, 2 plus natural logarithm of 12. So it's 4.4849. On number 12, my first step, I'm going to divide by 2 because I want to isolate that e. I want to isolate that e. So that means that I have e to the negative x equals 10. Right? So now I can again natural logarithm of both sides of the equation. So there's another property that we can also use. That means that the natural logarithm, right? So natural logarithm of e to the m just equals m. So that means that on this exercise, the natural logarithm of e to the negative x just equals negative x equals natural logarithm of 10. And now I'm just going to divide by negative 1, so x equals negative natural logarithm of 10. So on my calculator, the natural logarithm of 10 equals negative 2.3026. So you can see we're using the same properties and everything the same as we did with the common logarithm, right? So in this case, again, first I'm going to subtract. So I have e to the 3x equals 10, right? Now, natural logarithm of both sides. So this is 3x equal to natural logarithm of 10. And now I'm just going to divide by 3. So x equals natural logarithm of 10 divided by 3. If you're doing this on the same step on your calculator, remember to close the parentheses after the natural logarithm. And that's it.